कोकण रेल्वे मार्गाचेर दोंगराचे पालसन कोसळून येरादारी आडखून पडपाची ही दुसरी घडणूक। फाटल्या सप्तकातूय कोकण रेल्वे मार्ग बंद आशिल्लो त्या वेळार पेडणेच्या मालफे वाठारांत रेल्वे रुळाचेर चिखल आयिल्लो आणि आता रत्नागिरी लागसार दोंगराचे पालसन कोसळ्ळा। हे घडणुकेक लागून कोकण रेल्वे मार्गावेल्यो 5 ट्रेनी रद्द केल्यात, जाल्यार कांय ट्रेनी दुसऱ्या मार्गान घुंवडायल्यात। CSMT ते मडगांव वंदे भारत, CSMT ते मडगांव मांडवी एक्सप्रेस, सावंतवाडी ते दादर तुतारी एक्सप्रेस, मंगलोर जंक्शन CSMT आणि मडगांव दिवा पॅसेंजर ह्यो रेल्वे सद्याक रद्द केल्यात।
Yesterday at around 16:48 hours, there was an incidence of soil slippage at kilometer 79,426 between Diwan Khawti Vinere section of Ratnagiri region of Konkan Railway. Because of this, many trains have been cancelled, diverted, rescheduled, and short terminated. I'll just name few of the trains. Today's Vande Bharat between CSMT Madgaon, then Mandvi Express between CSMT Madgaon. Then these two trains have been cancelled. Then Mandvi Express going to Mumbai from Madgaon has been cancelled. Then Madgaon Diva Sound this passenger has been cancelled. Then Mangalore Junction CSMT 12134 that is Mangalore Express has been cancelled. Then train between LTT Mangalore 12619 Matsaganda Express has been cancelled. Train between LTT Trivandrum 16345 Netravati Express of date has been cancelled. Then yesterday's train which were held up in the section have been short terminated. Yesterday's Jan Shatabdi Express, it has been short terminated at Ratnagiri and cancelled between Ratnagiri and CSMT. Then 22120 Madgaon CSMT of yesterday Tejas Express has been short terminated at Ratnagiri. Then Konkan Kanna likewise of yesterday has been short terminated at Ratnagiri. And then 11004 that is Sawanthwadi Dadar Tutari Express of yesterday has been short terminated at Ratnagiri. Then Mandvi Express which had left Madgaon yesterday morning has been short terminated at Chiklur. And Sawanthwadi Diva of yesterday has been short terminated at Khed. It's raining very heavily in that section between, especially in Raigad district of Maharashtra, and that is affecting restoration work. But anyway, we are expecting restoration to complete by today evening.
Bureau Report, Gomantak TV.